Dhoni I had a big crush on.
MS
I had he had come to Visakhapatnam, my hometown, to play some match, and he scored 148 runs. And it was like big news, and he was like this new star on the horizon. He should just be like one of those, philosopher guides, coaching heads for people, because he is one of the most honest people I've known. When you're not that funny or cool kid, you want something on your account so that you can still be part of the cool group. It's almost like you had one job. वो भी ढंग से नहीं किया तो क्या मतलब what is the point?
Anurag Kashyap film other than Raman Raghav 2.0 you wish you had been a part of?
I've not seen all of his films. I think that's
इतनी तो फिल्में बनाई नहीं है मैंने जो सोच रहा
I would love to play Raman.
You'd love to play Raman?
हाँ.
क्या मेरा रोज़ रोटी पिक्चर इनका बदल में दे ही सकते हैं.
3 things that you'd look for in your future husband.
Curiosity, kindness, can cook.
What would you prefer, live-in or marriage?
Married.
If not actors, what should have been the following people's alternate professions? Okay, alternate professions if not an actor. Anurag Kashyap, he's been acting quite regularly, so we can call him as an actor as well. So Anurag Kashyap, what do you think could have been an alternate profession apart from direction as well? I think.
I think he makes an amazing
Spokesperson.
writer.
राइटर तो वो है
I think he should just be like one of those, philosopher guides, coaching heads for people, because he is one of the most honest people I've known.
Okay, and he doesn't like that.
Coach.
He doesn't like coaching.
Life coach.
Am I right, Mr. Kashyap?
I hate it. I need life coaching. I need life coaching.
Vicky Kaushal, alternate profession for Vicky Kaushal.
If not an actor, he'll still be something around the film industry, on the film set itself. That's his love for cinema. I was always very introverted. Books were my escape as a child. And then slowly I realized that by reading something, I know a little more than my classmate. And I realized that, so this is the way I can have some kind of relevance in my classroom. So I used to start reading. I used to spend all my time in the library. I was not very outdoorsy or like friendly, chatty, playing. And I was a very quiet kid. So I think the seeds of my passion for reading were, it happened when I was in school. So I think I started reading out of isolation. And then I started reading because I wanted to be better. I wanted to have some contribution. When you're not that funny or cool kid, you want something on your account so that you can still be part of the cool group. So I became that nerdy school captain girl who's well read. And then slowly I read so many different types of books that eventually I've come to a point where it allowed me to understand my own opinions. So many times when we keep talking, bolte, I realize that, this is what I think about it. But by reading, I'm able to think. I'm able to have an opinion, and I'm not needy of somebody's approval of it. And also it helps me with being less judgmental.
Wow.
It's one thing to feel the loss of a child. It's also another when, like in society, there's so much pressure on a woman. If she can't have a child, it's almost like you had one job. वो भी ढंग से नहीं किया तो क्या मतलब what is the point?
Describe your journey in a hashtag.
Woke.
Woke. Hashtag woke. WOKE. All right. Your childhood crush.
Too many. Dhoni I had a big crush on.
MS
I had so he had come to Visakhapatnam, my hometown, to play some match, and he scored 148 runs. And it was like big news, and he was like this new star on the horizon. And I was just like, this is the guy for me. And I had cutouts of all his pictures from the newspapers and stuck it in a book and sketch pen से outline भी बनाया उसका मैंने.
Now you're having this wonderful vocabulary, and so vocabulary से क्या होता है कि that's it?
Vocabulary, someone asked me, what is your idea of heaven? I said, wherever Shashi Tharoor's vocabulary came from.
Body language, for example, when the kid is saying that you're not taking my basta today, and you're saying that it's like
आज नहीं उठा सकते.
so that body language जो आपका है, वो I think that is not there in Made in Heaven. So I think it's maybe from whatever I understand, it's part of the context of the character that you're getting into.
Very, very curious about people, about human behavior, just why they do what they do. So I think I really, really enjoy belonging to another person, even if it's for a brief time. I think it's the greatest privilege of my life and luxury. So I completely, it's one place where you can wholly submit, and you won't be diminished, because also like I think physical language plays a huge role when you look at somebody's filmography over a long period of time. What really distinguishes, if they're playing a character in kind of like a similar zone, say in multiple films, it shouldn't feel repetitive, and I try not to put in too much of me in the character. So when there's a bit of
You're doing Mouton, which I think that's how it's pronounced?
I think I also don't know perfectly, but Mouton.
It's a movie.
Yes, it's a movie. It's by Geetu Mohandas. This is her second film. Her first film being Liar's Dice, which was India's entry to Oscars a couple of years ago. This is a film that has left a huge, huge impact on me, because it's an adventure fantasy. It follows the journey of a child searching for his elder brother lost on an island, comes to a city. There's mermaids, there's drug peddling, there's prostitutes, there's children being smuggled. It covers so many facets, and it's so poetic in its narrative. I really feel so strongly about this film. It left a huge impact on me, and I think in life we have those landmark moments where emotionally, at least I do, I have those points where I know that this was like a shot of growing up.
Ji.
So that was an espresso shot for my heart.